Hello you guys. Today I'm going to be having a Lush bath cocktail, and I'm going to be using various Lush bath products, and I want to have a snowy kind of a whiteout type of bath, and so I'm going to be having lots of Lush exclusives that have to do with snow, or this one is half of one Eskimo bubble bar. This one is a Lush Oxford Street Snow Melt bath oil from last year. I bought about 10 of them, so I have a bunch, and they're kind of minty and sparkly. Here is this Snow on Snow dusting powder, and it smells of the snow cake scent. And then I have Whitewash Smoothie, which is my favorite smoothie. It's very, very, very thick. It has orange and sandalwood, and it's to be used as a soap. It's a shower soap, and it's very conditioning. It's called Whitewash. Here's how thick it is, and lathers up just like soap. So we're going to read a page from this same Lush Times about these shower smoothies. This one's Dream Wash from 2004. It says, Dream Wash is the smoothie for troubled skin. And there were only two at that time, two smoothies. And there's Skinny Dip body conditioner as well, which is my favorite. But Dream Wash says, if you use Dream Cream on your body to calm down annoying redness and skin problems, you might like to give Dream Wash a go. It's like fresh pharmacy soap, but for the body. We make it with essential oils which restore calm to your skin, including rose, chamomile, tea tree, and lavender, mixed up in a base of soothing calamine powder. And this one, blows Coconut Almond Smoothie. The creamed almond and coconut smoothie is the original and enduring Lush smoothie shower soap. It's smooth, obviously, and thick, so we put it in a pot to be scooped out with your fingers and plastered all over your body, rather than in a bottle to be squeezed out like the shower gels. You'd be there all day. Smoothing our smoothies all over your body is a pleasure not to be hurried. With its moisturizing almond and coconut oils, comforting infusion of vanilla, jasmine, and ylang-ylang oils will make your skin feel and smell utterly fabulous. And I'll be having some frozen perfume. This was a Lush exclusive in 2017 at the lush.co.uk site, and this is made with grapefruit, neroli, and rose, and it has the same fragrance that the frozen bath bomb that they sell in the stores has. Actually, they discontinued it last year, so they no longer sell the bath bomb in the stores though. And for my bath bomb today, I'm going to be having the exclusive, sold for one day only, Great Bear bath bomb. This is made with an artist who was the one to draw Great Bear, and Lush have all the proceeds from the sales of this Great Bear bath bomb to go towards saving bears in North America. And I think this is a lovely, lovely bath bomb, and it smells so gorgeous. It's an earthy and woodsy scent. I think that men would also love this scent as well as women. It's a great, great scent. And I don't know if you can tell, it has little tiny white glitter all over it. I don't think it's mixed through though. So now I'm going to cut the half of the one Eskimo bubble bar for you. little bit of white sparkle on the outside, but it's not mixed through in the bath bomb. It's just barely noticeable, but it is there, so it'll be interesting to see if this makes glittery water or just clear water, or what the water will look like. So now I'm going to put it in the water. Beautiful. Oh, that scent. It smells just good. I don't know. It's not it doesn't smell foody or floral or citrusy. And it's not earthy like Tramp or Super Tramp or any of those things. It's almost like a really posh men's fragrance, if that makes sense. But it's a natural fragrance. I love it. It's got rosewood, and I love rosewood. I remember a Lush bath bomb called Yoga Bomb, which had lots of rosewood in it, so it kind of reminds me of the scent of that bomb. And it's somewhere between a fast and a slow fizzer, kind of in between. And I love that this actually makes no color in the bath, because sometimes we don't want color in the bath. Okay, so the water it isn't real sparkly at all. It's just here and there and only on the surface of the water, not throughout the water. So I'm going to be adding next the Snow Melt Bath Oil, which has a lot of white glitter in it. So, but the water is a little bit more opaque than clear with the Great Bear Bath Bomb, and the smell is filling my entire bathroom with that wonderful scent. So now I'm gonna go get the Snow Melt Bath Oil. Well, that was my snowfall bath cocktail, and thanks for watching, you guys. If you enjoy this bath cocktail video, please give me a thumbs